So, how to knit a regular I-cord. In one color on double-pointed needles. I find it more convenient to make an I-cord on double-pointed needles. I take one needle, yarn, and make a loop on the needle. I cast on 3 stitches. I slide the stitches to the other end of the needle and take a second needle. This is exactly why a double-pointed needle is needed. To easily move the stitches. I knit the stitches. 1, 2, and 3. I slide the stitches to the other end of the needle and repeat. Again, I slide the stitches to the other end and knit them again. A small tube is already forming. I continue knitting to the desired length of the cord. And here I have knit a few centimeters. And it results in this kind of cord. If you look at the back side, there is no gap. You can just pull it, and the stitches close up seamlessly. This cord unravels easily stitch by stitch, like regular knitting on needles. Now let's knit an I-cord in 2 colors using the spiral method. Helix means spiral. One color will knit over the second color, and the second color will knit over the first, creating a spiral without transitions between the colors. I take one yarn again and start the same way. First, I make 1 stitch, then the second, and the third. I will again knit with 3 stitches, and slide the stitches to the other end of the needle. I take the second color and knit the orange stitches with blue yarn. 1, 2, 3, knit. I slide the stitches to the other end of the needle. Now I take the orange yarn, watching the threads to make sure they don't twist. I knit the blue stitches with orange yarn. 1, 2, 3. I slide the stitches to the other end of the needle. Now my stitches are orange, and I knit them with blue yarn. Watching the threads on the wrong side, I knit 1, 2, 3. It is very convenient to make such a cord on double-pointed needles. Much more convenient than with a crochet hook. Again, 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. I continue knitting to the desired length of the cord. This is what the I-cord looks like. If you look at the back side and pull, you won't see any transitions. Here are simply 2 spirals intertwined. The other blue. One cord in one color, the second in 2 colors. although both are knitted on 3 stitches. The 2-color cord feels thicker. Such a cord is used for hat ties, decorations, or bag drawstrings. You can make handles for bags by inserting something firm inside this cord, like a rope. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thank you in advance for your likes. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.